చెప్పు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
Hi sir, I am Alisha Karthik. I am studying UKG. My content is about money. We need money to buy everything in our daily life. Indian currency is rupee. This is the symbol of rupee.
Yes. ఏ సింబల్స్ ఆఫ్ రూపీ అది? వెరీ నైస్, వెరీ నైస్. ఇదేంటిది? ఇదేంటిది? ఏటీఎమ్మా? ఓకే, నైస్, సూపర్. మీది ఎయిర్ కూలరా? మరి వస్తుందా గాలి? అదు వస్తుంది. వెరీ నైస్, బాగుంది. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి.
Good morning sir, my name is Jagdish. I am studying 7th class. We are tell about air cooler. Cut holes in a container for the fan and pipes. Place the fan in the container facing inward. Insert pipes are to distribute airflow.
Okay, next.
My name is Yashwant. Fill the container with ice frozen water bottle. Turn on the fan to circulate over the ice. The air is cooled as it passes over the cool surface of the ice.
Okay.
My name is Ketchum. The cool air is blown out of the container. The address that is equipped to cool the room or an outdoor space. Operate based on the principle of evaporating cooling and convection.
Okay, ఇది మీరు ఎయిర్ కూలర్. వాటర్ వేసారా? మీకు లోపల ఏంటి పొగలుతున్నాయి? వెరీ నైస్, బాగుంది. వావ్.
We are studying in English. Our project name is hydraulic containers. It is used in the shipyards for lifting the containers. It will reduce the human work at shipyards. So we can see this hydraulic container. It will use it as a.
నైస్,
It is the principle of
సూపర్.
the.
ఆపరేటర్ చాలా బాగున్నాడు.
It will.
ఓకే.
Sedimentation. Decantation. Decantation is separation of liquid from sediment. Around us. Electrical bulbs, tube lights and candles release visible wonderful.
So nice.
Now I am explaining about class cycle of but.
Okay.
Good morning.
Well. ఇదేంటిదమ్మా సోలార్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఎనర్జీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
Hi, good morning, sir. My name is Namaskar. I am studying fourth spark in Srivadevi English Medium. This is Aryan Varsha Devanand. Today I am explaining solar energy. It is a natural resource. It comes from sun, electromagnetic radiation. It will never end as long as the sun remains. Solar energy also pollution free. It will never all gases or chemicals in the air. Thank you for listening. At that point, my friend Peter Aryan Varsha. It can use it to generate electricity and heat. It can help reduce relying on fossil fuels and compress climate change. At that point, my friend Devanand is the energy generated in the sun. Solar panels installed on the rooftop of the sun cells to boil water. Solar energy is stored in solar cells. Solar energy is a renewable energy sources that comes from sun. Thank you.
సూపర్ నైస్. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా?
Good morning, sir. My name is Edwin. Today my topic is weather of symbols. Let's continue the topic. Weather forecast symbols are the symbols which are used to understand the weather condition. Sir, what's try this?
One?
What's try this, sir?
Try. Okay. Hey, very nice. Yes. Very nice. Bond.
Thank you, sir.
చాలా బాగుంది.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Hey. Water wheel. Fire wheel. Okay. Explain. ఏంటమ్మా స్వచ్ఛ భారత్ ఇది? ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అమ్మా.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kitan and my partner name is Bhagyasri and my another partner Bhavya and my another partner Shravan. Today we are going to explain about Swachh Bharat Mission Clean and Healthy Environment, the awareness of cleanliness and importance of it.
Provide basic sanitation facilities like toilets, solid and liquid waste. Safe and adequate drinking water supply to every person. Scientific applications history of
The campaign was introduced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and launched on 2nd October 2014 to honor the vision of clean and healthy.
స్వచ్ఛ భారత్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నైస్ అమ్మా బాగుంది. టెర్రస్ ఫార్మింగ్. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. hydraulic. Okay, explain.
Today we are telling about precaution. Imagine exist diseases. Disease is a harmful disease is a organism for two types. Now, communicable disease and non-communicable diseases. Communicable disease is occurred by organisms. Non-communicable disease is not occurred by organisms. Thanks.
Okay, nice.
Now we are explaining about solar system. The solar system consists of sun, planets and their moons, asteroids, comets and other celestial bodies. Planets roll around the sun and rotate on its own axis. Mercury is the smallest planet. It gets very hot at day and very cool at night. It takes 88 days to revolve, 59 days to rotate. Venus is the hottest planet with a rocky surface. It is visible from the Earth at evenings and it is also called the evening star. It takes 225.
Explain చేయనమ్మా ఏంటిది మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఓకే
A constant mixture that acts like a liquid when the stress is removed and acts like a solid when stress is added. Properties: viscosity when non-Newtonian liquid.
Explain ఇది ఏంటిది చూపించు. నాన్ అటెండెంటా ఇది? మిక్స్ చేసారా? ఓకే ఓకే. ఇదమ్మా?
Hi, hello, good morning, sir. Myself, Shanas. I am Anjali. Now you are explaining about Newton disk. A Newton disk is a circular disk. When it's spun rapidly, it appears as a bright color. It's due to the blending of colors, demonstrating that the colors of seven rainbow.
On?
It's invented by the Sir Isaac Newton.
Nice.
Phenomena demonstrate that the human eye cannot see the high speed of a demonstrates between the colors, different colors.
Okay, nice.
It's also called as dispersing color disk and Newton's color wheel.
ఓకేనమ్మా. ఓకే డన్. పర్లేదు వద్దు. ఓకే బాగుంది చూస్తున్నాను. సౌండ్ పొల్యూషనా? వస్తాను బాగుంది సార్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా? ఓకే దాని నుంచి ఇదేంటమ్మా ఇది? వాటర్ ప్యూరిఫికేషనా? ఓకే, రోల్ మోడల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. నైస్.
Release a flammable gas event. It is hydrocarbon. It catch fire readily, and it calcium carbide.
ఓకే సూపర్ నైస్ ఎక్సలెంట్.
It is used in
Welding industries. It is used in welding industries, and the calcium carbide is used to ripening fruits. Thank you.
వెల్కమ్.
I'm Kevan Sriram from Nice Park, and he is my partner, S. Nagavit.
ఓకే
Our project is Artemis 2. Artemis 2 is an instrument early it was used to irrigate fields. It will transport water from lower area to higher level of. Nowadays, it is used in some industries to transport grains and other floor like that.
ఓకే. ఏంటమ్మా ఇది? ఫైర్ అలారమా?
సన్రైజ్ లేకపోతే సార్ మనం మ్యాచ్లో
ఓకే బాగుంది. నైస్. హ్యూమన్ బాడీయా?
Good morning, sir.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
Now we are explaining about lungs. The lungs are a pair of organs in the chest that help us breathe and remove carbon dioxide from our body. The lungs are body and weakest regular located on either side of the heart. The lungs covered by membrane called pleura. Functions: when we inhale oxygen from the air, that moves into our blood. When we exhale carbon dioxide from our body, that moves into our lungs. The lungs help us to remove 70% of waste from our body through breathing. Other facts: we can live with one lung, but it may limit our physical ability. The right lung is shorter but broader than the left lung. Thank you.
ఓకే నైస్ బాగుంది. ఇద్దరు బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి. ఓకే
I am Nandita from Mumbai. Now we are explaining about cellular stuff.
సెల్యులార్. ఒరిజినల్సేనా? ఓకే. ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడ సంపాదించారు? మీ ల్యాబ్లో ఉన్నాయా? ఈరోజు శ్రీ వాగ్దేవి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ అమలాపురంలో సైన్స్ ఫేర్ అనేది నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. దీంట్లో పిల్లలందరూ కూడా చాలా ధైర్యంగా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు. అలాగే వాళ్ళ యొక్క ప్రతిభను కూడా కనబరిచారు. వాళ్ళు చేసిన ప్రాజెక్ట్ గురించి చాలా క్లియర్గా వివరించడం జరిగింది. పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసిన పిల్లలందరికీ కూడా కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అంతా కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. ఓకే, సూపర్ సార్, బాగుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అందరూ చాలా బాగుంది, ఎందుకంటే పిల్లలు బాగుంది.